Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If Rainbow Six Siege mic is not working on your PC, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First solution, check in game settings. Open your Rainbow Six Siege and then go to the settings and then click on the audio and make sure your voice chat record mode is set to open mic or push to talk. Check voice chat volume increase if it is too low. Verify push talk to keybinds if enabled under control keybinds. Next solution is check window sound settings. Click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and go to the setting. Now, now click on the sounds and then go to the click on the more sound settings. Now click on the recording side and right click on the headset microphone. Go to the properties. Now device users should be use this device enable and then OK. Next solution is go to the search bar and search your setting. Then go to the privacy and security and click on the microphones and microphone access should be enabled. If it is disabled, then it and check the problem. If it persists, then try next solution. Again, go to the search bar and search here device manager and click on it and then double click on the audio inputs outputs and right click on it and click on the update driver as well as click on the speaker idea and update it. After doing this step, check your problem. If it persists, then try next solution. Verify game files. On Steam, right click on the Rainbow Six Siege, then go to the properties. Now install file and verify integrating of game files. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.